Undalo Nxumalo, from zero to hero, the passion of poetry. Uyisithandwa senhliziyo yami, sithandwa sami, I love you so much. Ne too much incane wena ngikuthanda 10 March. Honeymoon yethu nge-Valentine's Day from 14 February till March. You kiss me from head to toes nice and slowly with no rush. Ungibambe nge-morning glory sneak sami se-breakfast and lunch. Nhliziyo yakho inothando fragile angisayimoshi. Nhliziyo yami ingcoliswe uthando olubomvu angisayiwashi. Masidlula kuma-haters usakhala nci ngasiba nenhliziyo yewashi. Lo thando luclean kakhulu ningadlalelani le, please don't touch. In this kingdom of love, you are my queen and I'm your king. You are the rhythm that makes my heart sing. With you my heart beats in perfect harmony ngaphandle kwe-stress. You are the melody that fills my heart with joy and happiness. My cheek, my vanish, my bleach, my Samsung washing machine. Uyigezi bemhlophe qwa inhliziyo yami. Themba lami, phakade lami, wena uyisithandwa senhliziyo yami. My love, I just wanna keep on loving you unconditionally. This is a new sweetest love, new flame and greatest feeling ever. I'm getting used to it gradually. This love is a permanent perfect thing, it's not temporary. Your lips are so sweet, they quench my taste like a cold lemonade. With you every moment is a sweet serenade. Our love is a canvas of laughter and tears. Nobody's perfect, but in times we don't see eye to eye. Ungakhohlwa uthando libone ngenhlonipho sibonisane. Uthando lweqiniso liyabekezela empilini nasekuhleni bengicela sibambane. I've lost my eyesight, ngiblind noma ukude nami ngibona wena kuphela ngamehlo engqondo. This is history in the making, la manje siqopha umlando. Together our love creates a masterpiece. Ngikudinga manje kusasa and forever, ngaluza wena my soul will never rest in peace. Noma ungathatha i-calculate ubale ibusiso zakho kuyophuma u-1 since I'm the only one. With a true blessing empilweni yakho. Ngimpumputhe, your presence in my life brought back my vision, but still angimbone ngimthandayo ngaphandle kwakho. Ngicela ungimamele ungikhole mangithi mina kuwe uyisithandwa senhliziyo yami. Sithandwa sami, themba lami, njabulo yami, wena othandwa ile nhliziyo yami. Ushisa blind nestove 66 manginawo uhlala ufudumele umzimba wami. Unice body fit and you're so sweet. You're the reason why my heart skips a beat. Lo thando if bewingoma ngabi hit. A top class eshanga style is legit. Uyangizwa ngithi la senza ama-ara kusazoba lit. Ungishama vithi nabane quality bayenzela umritivity siphithiphithi. So mamela la ungichaza la ngothando lusweet okudlula ushukela. Banomona ka bakunakorobela la. Mina la kuwe nje ngiyasithandela. My love, my queen of hearts and spades. Your touch ignites the fire that never fades. Uthando lusweet kaso ngaligcina kudala ngisadli nestam sirilek nge-purity. With every breath I take, I love you till eternity. Imizwa yami ku-Columbus Marathon igijima iqedi. Uhlala u-available mangidinga uyi-battery ever ready. You are the missing parts I never knew I needed. You are the sunshine that brightens every moment. In your arms I find my peaceful heaven. See liquid deep, you are my ANGEL and your voice is my favorite song. Lo thando lamampela kusiyi iFhong Kong. Nalawa bakushelayo bazongithola kahle nginenhliziyo encane kabi mina edlule ya King Kong. But forever with you is where I belong. You are my true affection and the true greatest achievement of my emancipation. I'll always admire your respect, and this is my little symbol of appreciation. Sengphetha, I just wanna thank you for your love and attention. Though we have our ups and downs, but namuhla ngithe angicomplaini mara nje ngisancoma ngibonge kuphela. Engathi ungahlala nje ungashintshi. Ngikuthanda ngenhliziyo yami yonke ngoba wena uyisithandwa senhliziyo yami. Uyisithandwa senhliziyo yami. Undalo Nxumalo.